Welcome to the lesson Relay Driving Circuit. In this lesson, we will learn what is a relay driving circuit and how it works. Let's understand what is a relay. A relay is an electromechanical device that has electromagnets in it which makes or breaks the circuit in the output according to current flowing in the input coil. So this is a relay. There is a coil in the input and three metals in the output. They are termed as output terminals. So overall we have C1 and C2, which are the terminals of coil. In addition, we have common pin, which is COM, NC pin, which is normally connected, and NO pin, which is normally open. Let's see how it works. Every relay is rated with some input voltage. Like in my case, I have a relay of 5 volt, from which we can deduce the required amount of current which is used to activate the coil. In normal condition, common pin and NC pin are connected together. So the circuit connected to both the pins in the output will be completed and it will work properly. But when a sufficient amount of current flows through coil, magnetic field is generated through the law of electromagnetic induction. This magnetic field attracts the common pin and it gets connected to NO pin. Hence the circuit connected in between NC and common pin get disconnected. So where is the application of relay? You must have seen or you must have used a microcontroller. You cannot connect or control a light bulb or a refrigerator directly to a microcontroller because these are very high power devices. Hence we use relay circuits which can control hundreds of ampere current from a few milliampere of current. Now we cannot connect relay directly to voltage source because it may or may not give sufficient current to relay coil. So we need a current source. So can you think of a current source? Yes, the BJT, bipolar junction transistor, is a current source and we will use BJT in our design. So this is the circuit for relay driving circuit using BJT. The relay coil is connected to collector of the transistor. Hence, the collector current, that is IC, controls the relay and IC is decided by the base current and also from current gain of the transistor, that we call beta. The series resistor RB is connected so that the sufficient amount of base current flows to the base, which controls the IC, and IC controls the relay, and the relay switches on and off the circuit connected in the output. Since the BJT is driving the relay, hence it is called relay driving circuit. We will design this circuit in the section 3 for our over and under voltage protection circuit, where it will switch off the refrigerator circuit when there is unsafe supply voltage. Okay, so see you in the next lesson.